Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Jerry and I am the founder of Golden Touch Music World. In this very video, I'll be sharing with you the full vocal harmony of the song Atmosphere Shift by Thompson. I pray that you'll find it useful, you'll find it to be a blessing to you and to your choir, to your team, to your vocal team, even as you learn the parts and minister this song to the glory of God. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know if there is a particular song you will love the vocal harmony parts created for you. We offer this at a very discounted rate for churches, for groups, and for individuals as a service here at Golden Touch Music World. I look forward to being a blessing to your ministry. Remain blessed as you watch this lyric video with the original vocal part as created by Golden Touch Music World. Cheers.
There is only one name. There is only one name with power to save. With power to save. Say there is only one name.
There is only one name. There is only one name with power to save. With power to save.
And our God is champion. He reigns forevermore. Forevermore. Say our God.
Our God is champion. He reigns forevermore, forevermore. Every knee will bow down.
Every tongue will confess.
Every tongue will confess that Jesus Christ, you are Lord.
Say our God.
Our God is champion. He reigns forevermore, forevermore. Our God is champion. He reigns forevermore, forevermore.
Worship the Lord in this place. Father, we worship you. Father, we praise your name. You're worthy. Oh God, we lift you up. Father, we exalt you in this place. Father, we magnify your name. Atmosphere shift now. Chains be broken. Break out. Holy Spirit, come down. Heaven open. Heaven. Say atmosphere.
Atmosphere shift now. Chains be broken. Break out. Holy Spirit, come now. Heaven open. Heaven open. Atmosphere shift chains be broken, break out. Holy Spirit, come now. Heaven open, heaven open. Atmosphere shift now. Chains be broken, break out. Holy Spirit, come now. Heaven open, heaven open.
And our God is champion. He reigns forevermore. Forevermore. Say our
God is champion. He